Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken Alfredo. Start by gathering your ingredients, including 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 pound of fettuccine, and 1 pint of heavy cream. Next, slice the chicken into 1-inch pieces and season them generously with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the seasoned chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken and set it aside. While your chicken rests, it's time to prepare the pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add 1 pound of fettuccine pasta and cook it according to the package instructions, usually for about 8 to 10 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a creamy sauce. Drain the remaining pasta and set it aside. Now for the star of the show, the creamy Alfredo sauce. In the same skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in 1 pint of heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. Gradually whisk in 1 1/2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until the sauce is smooth and thickened. It's time to bring it all together. Add your cooked fettuccine and the browned chicken back into the skillet with the Alfredo sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure the pasta and chicken are beautifully coated in that rich, creamy sauce. If the sauce seems a little too thick, add a splash or 2 of your reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired consistency. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley and serve this delicious chicken Alfredo immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.